Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
and in the Tuscan Hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Well, we're driving back along the autostrade towards Lucca, having been in the south with the family.
It's a sunny day, we have a bit of time, so we should leave the motorway and quickly see Palestrina. And this is the museum in Palestrina, Palazzo Barberini.
It seems the Roman temple is underneath the museum. This is the most incredibly detailed mosaic made out of tiny pieces, and it originally was a pavement, and it shows the entire course of the Nile and all the activities and animals. It's mind-blowing to think the sapphires on this headpiece came from Thailand, Cambodia and Sri Lanka. Palestrina is lost in the hills, and hidden here is this incredible, enormous Roman temple with the most incredible mosaics and treasures. There's also a Caravaggio in the Cathedral Museum, and the house of Palestrina, the composer, who of course was so important for counterpoint, and we all had to study at music college. So really, this is the joy of Italy. You find these incredible treasures in these little hidden towns in the hills.
Today we go to cook a traditional Italian recipe. It is called pasta al burro. It's very simple, it's super delicious, and it's been around forever as far as I remember. I mean, my mother's cooked it for us. But in the United States, it is known as Fettuccine Alfredo. For the Fettuccine al burro, or Alfredo, if you like to call them, we need a few ingredients. We need fettuccine all'uovo. This time I bought egg pasta from the shop. Whenever I make my own pasta, but today...
And you can find it on other videos.
Yes.
We'll link one above.
Yeah. You need butter, grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and ground pepper if you like it, but it's not compulsory. And there is a legend about it. Now, you can believe or not the legend, but you know, every recipe has got some mysterious beginning. And according to this legend, in 1914, the owner of a restaurant in Rome called Alfredo cooked for his wife, who had just given birth to a child, this recipe, pasta with butter and parmesan. So the reason for that was that the wife needs something really nourishing, robust to feed the baby, to breastfeed the baby. So he created this recipe, and that day happened to be around a big star on Hollywood with his wife. They were Douglas Fairbanks and Mary Pickford.
And they were on their honeymoon, weren't they?
They were on the honeymoon, and they tried the recipe and they loved it. So they gave Alfredo, obviously according to this story, gold spoon and fork with engraved on the side to Alfredo, king of the noodles. And when Pickford and Mary Pickford Fairbanks went to the United States, for some mysterious reason, it became very popular in Hollywood and then spread around the States, called after the cook, Alfredo. So in the United States, this recipe is very well known among the Italian Americans. But we have it in Italy as well, as I said, under a different name. We need a large saucepan with salted water. Okay, now I put the pasta in. And now we cut and melt the butter on a very low heat. I'm going to add water to the butter, pasta water to the butter. We want to melt the butter because we want to create that creamy consistency for the sauce. Now the fettuccine are ready, time to turn them off. Also the butter, I can turn it off for the moment. That is my way to drain them. They are very al dente.
How much have you cut the cooking time by?
1 minute.
So you put the heat on again.
Yep. And I now coat the pasta with this beautiful creamy sauce. I turn it off now. I need to add a tiny bit more pasta water.
Why a little more water?
Because you want to create this creamy sauce around the noodles. Here we are. And last thing, we add the Parmesan cheese. You might need a little bit of salt. And now we have the final mix here. Tiny bit more water. And we are ready to serve now. And this time we've got to add ground pepper. As I said, it's not compulsory. If you like it, you can add it. If you don't like it, don't add it. Do you like it?
It is delicious.
Must be so. Italy specializes in steps.
Thank you for watching, and a super thank you to our subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, please press the button. It's a great way to support our channel, and it's free.